Hi, my name's Matt Johnston. I'm CTO at Polyseam, and today I'm going to talk about open source infrastructure deployment, and specifically why we've built a new tool called CNDI. There's a growing list of services that we depend on as we build and scale our organizations. We rely on databases like Postgres and MongoDB, orchestration tools like Airflow, streaming and event services like Kafka, and many more. We expect these services to be fast, reliable, and highly available. When we decide to implement a new service like Airflow, we're faced with an important choice right away. Should I build or should I buy? This is actually a trick question. Self-hosting is free, and as of quite recently, it doesn't really require any building either. In the past, paying for a platform as a service made sense, because it was often easier, more performant, and more reliable than running that same service yourself. But that's not true anymore. So what changed? We now have a universal operating system for the cloud, which makes it trivial to deploy production distributed systems. It's called Kubernetes, but bear with me, please don't leave. At this point in your career, maybe you've heard people say you don't need Kubernetes. Or maybe you've looked into it and quickly learned it's really quite complicated. Trust me, we know that Kubernetes is often too big of a burden to thrust onto developers. But that's because Kubernetes was never intended to be the final abstraction. Every cloud is built on top of Kubernetes, and our team at Polyseam has done the same thing. We provide an opinionated framework for provisioning and maintaining K8s clusters and applications. It's called CNDI. The toolchain makes the complicated decisions for you while giving you the flexibility to override them as needed. CNDI brings together the infrastructure as code tool Terraform, the continuous delivery tool Argo CD, and provides you with the workflow you know and love as a modern developer. Because our framework has integrated these tools, we're able to provide templates that include the infrastructure and the application code to help you ship, maintain, and grow your self-hosted service on your terms. We provide the tools to help you deploy any service you need and provide a simple mechanism for improving it over time. You only need to specify the attributes you want to change. Otherwise, you can just rely on the stable, performant, and battle-tested defaults we created for you in our templates. And because Kubernetes can run anywhere, we provide you with a simple way to install our templates in every environment. If you've created an application yourself, or if you have expertise in deploying a given service, you can also create your own templates with our YAML-based configuration and share those files online. Once you find or build a template, CNDI presents it as an interactive wizard, producing repeatable self-service deployments while following the latest cloud-native best practices, including GitOps. If this tool sounds interesting to you, please check out one of our walkthrough videos on screen now.